Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to find your sensitivity in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So firstly, we'll go to practice section and I will show you there how you can check your sensitivity and change the setting according to how your sensitivity is. So this is just a training mode. Okay, so as you can see right now my sensitivity is kind of good, but I will show you. You have to turn 180 degree, and if it properly turns then your sensitivity is fine. Okay, just move it like that, and if it turns 180 degree, okay, so it hasn't turned 180 degree right now, so I will just move it like that. So I will have to increase my sensitivity here. It's not properly working. So go to settings, then go to sensitivity, and the standard sensitivity right now is 80, and the firing sensitivity is different. I would suggest you to keep it lower, like 15% lower than the standard sensitivity. So I'm gonna increase it right now to almost 120 and then see if the sensitivity is fine. So I will just turn it 180 degree and see if it properly moves. Okay, so you'll have to check it. You'll have to turn yourself 180 degree, and if it properly points in that direction, then you have found your sensitivity. Right now my sensitivity looks good. The aim is at the center. So that's how you can find your sensitivity. That's it for today guys. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.